Hi there, my name is Corene Summers. I'm an international meditation and mindfulness expert, yoga instructor, Reiki master, wellness coach, and the founder of Artisan Farmacy. I'm really excited to be introducing my partnership with Sacred CBD and their amazing all-natural CBD products. In a time when none of us can interact face-to-face, we've decided to team up and launch a series of online wellness content to help support you in being your best self and releasing stress and anxiety when you may need it most. There is truly nothing better than ending one of my yoga sessions or any other type of workout with a nice, relaxing self massage and my Sacred CBD balm. Perfect post-workout recovery. In just a few minutes, you can restore and bring relief to sore and tired muscles. It helps reduce inflammation and overall nourish and re-energize your body. So you just take a small amount in your palms like this. I like to heat it quickly. And then I really love to apply it on my feet, but you could choose anywhere. It's also really great for the muscles in your back, for the upper arms and shoulders, the back of your neck, or anywhere you need to bring a little relief.